So today we are going to see about the IPv6. That is one of the internet protocol in internet protocol V6. So here in basic when internet when starts they were used about the internet protocol of 4 version. So now we are currently using in digital world, and now currently we are using the IPv6 protocol. It is a new wave of coming in still more it's a decade. So it is one of the very good backbone of the internet, and it provides the addressing system that which allows to identify and communicate with each other. So if you are just typing that is www.google.com, the google.com, first it's going to the IP address, and it checks the address, and it will locate the client to that locations. So this is a more widely a version which that is IPv6, that is Internet Protocol version of 4, and which is provide about 4.3 million of 4.3 million they were using this IPv4, and it is a very unique addresses, and which rapidly growth, and in IoT, that is the Internet of Things, now we are currently using through the IPv6, and this IPv6 uses 128 bits for addressing, which when compared to the IPv4, 32 bit is simultaneously increase, which allows for the almost unlimited number of unique addresses. So approximately it comes upon the 3.4 into 10 per 38 addresses, I think so. This ensures in earth, that is which beyond on the earth, we can exactly we can say. So this comparatively it is authentic and quality of services, and it is a very plug play, and it's a IP addresses during the transition stage. So this IPv6, it is a technology which main focuses upon the changing the structure of current IP addresses, which flows the unlimited IP addresses, and is a very efficient and hierarchical addressing for the routing infrastructure, which is based on the common occurrence and multiple level of internet service providers. So the challenges of today's world is addressing the depletion, loss of peer-to-peer model, burdened infrastructure, and increases the need for IP mobility, increased traffic flow. A new application have specific delivery requirements. So next we are going to see about the challenges of today's internet, that is QoS issues, which we are focusing about the multiple methods available. So it is a non-uniformity across network, which is represents as the boundaries, and it provides the security. It's a pyramid methods. For security we are using this pyramid. So multitude of methods of hackers to attack the network, because the security level is the firewall, it could be breakdown by these hackers. So the still now we are just making more security, but still we are just struggling to that to overcome that. So the mobility, the third part is mobility, to increase the number of wireless mobiles accessing the internet accesses, and this is the 3G 4G initiators. So at the same time it no need to use the NAT, that is network addressing translations, because every devices can use the unique IP address, and IPv6 uses the encryption authentication for in security, for security modes it can be used. And this IPv6 is already I've said, it is mainly used for the built-in security, because it supports the encryption, and auto configuration concept is applied. That's why we going to use about the IPv6. This is auto configuration is nothing but it's a stateless addresses auto configuration, that is SLAC, which represents it can device can automatically configure it by themselves. And at the same time it improve the multicasting. What we have first felt that, what are the drawbacks, we felt that it could be overcome by in the IPv6. Also it's improved the multitasking for better one-to-one many communications. So the large addresses, that is 128-bit addresses written in the hexadecimal. So for example it could be take 16 numbers then for in IPv6. So the features of IPv6: header, security, privacy, auto configuration, routing, that is quality of service, and it's very advanced. This is a simplified features of IPv6. and features of IPv6, which is home make marked potentials. And next we are going to see about the features of IPv6, which is root aggregations, and support the source demand routing concept. And this it's focused upon the cost saving home market potentials. And this V6 represents its new features. So the advantages of IPv6 are overcome the IPv4 addresses exaction, and it's provide a more faster routing and improve the efficiencies and enhance the security with IPv6 support, and it supports seamless growth of IoT and mobile internet, and it also enhance the suppose centralized management system.